Eighth grade band is open to all eighth graders with prior band experience. If you wish to join but have no band experience, check with the band director at your school. School-owned instruments are available for those in need. In eighth grade band, we perform on band instruments, read music, play with a musical ensemble, take field trips, perform in concerts, school events, and assemblies, and participate in band festivals and parades. Band is a community where all are welcome. There's a place for everyone. Differences are celebrated. And lasting friendships are built.
I love band.
Being in band was one of the best decisions I've ever made.